Lift off slow in the morning light, propellers hum, the world feels right. Golden sand meets emerald sea. From up here it's wild and free. Rivers curl through the bush below. Jade green water, steady flow. Footsteps fade, no tracks to seize. Just wind and sky and gravity. I'm flying over Abel Tasman, where the forest meets the tide. Cliffs and coves in perfect silence, seen from a whole new side. No roads, no noise, just space and time. The coastline drawn in curves so grand. I'm flying over Abel Tasman, a dream above the land. Hero glide beneath my frame. Waves roll in, always the same. Anchored boats in quiet bays, sunlight dancing on ocean spray. Shadows move across the sand, nature untouched just as planned. From high above it all makes sense. This place needs no defense. I'm flying over Abel Tasman, turquoise lines along the shore. Hidden beaches, secret corners, always leaving me wanting more. The world feels small, my worries fade. As far as this camera cuts,